Hi, if you're seeing these solutions on YouTube, click on the description below, take these as a test and then check out the solutions for free.
X is inversely proportional to y. That means if x increases, y decreases. X is proportional to 1 by y. X into y is a constant. That's what this means. X is inversely proportional to y. That means if x goes up, y will come down. If x goes down, y will come up. Not just that, it will move in sync. What do you mean by that? If x goes up and becomes double of what it was, y will go down and become half of what it was. If x doubles, y will halve. If x halves, y will double. If x becomes thrice of what it was, y will become 1/3 of what it was. This is where the idea of the ratio comes in. X into y is a constant. If x increases in some proportion, y will decrease by the reciprocal of that. To the reciprocal of that. X goes to double, y will go to half. X into y is a constant. X increases by 50%. That's what our question has said. So x goes to x plus 50% of x. Wonderful. 50% of x is half of x. X plus x by 2, which is 3 by 2x. So x goes to 3 by 2x. To what should continue to give us k? X into y should be 3 by 2x into 2 by 3y. Very interesting question. Very interesting question. Remember what you might see what we have done. 3 by 2 should be multiplied by a 2 by 3 to get 1. So x goes to 3 by 2 times x, y should go to 2 by 3 times y. Or y should decrease. It should not only decrease, y should decrease from y to 2/3 of y. Or it should decrease by 1/3 of y. Y falls by 1/3 of y to become 2/3 of y. The percentage fall is 1 by 3 into 100. Percentage fall is what it has fallen by divided by the original into 100. So the percentage decrease, we're asking about percentage decrease. In terms of percentages, this is 1 by 3y divided by y into 100. It's 100 by 3, which is 33.33%. Wonderful, wonderful, fabulous question. Key thing to remember here is to say x increases by 50%. This does not mean y will decrease by 50%. X increases by 50%. X will become 3 by 2 of what it was. Y should become 2 by 3 of what it was. Or y falls by 1/3. 1/3 means 33.33%. And the wonderful question, if x and y are inversely proportional, if x increases, y decreases. It should increase and decrease in such a way so that the product is the same. So x goes to 3 by 2 of x, y should fall to 2 by 3 of y. That's very crucial. Once you can think about it in terms of 3 by 2 and 2 by 3, this question becomes very simple.